Hi children, good morning. Welcome to today's English session. Today I am going to take Unit 4 from your Kerala reader. The name of the unit is Three Kittens. So now, who is this? It's a cat, a beautiful cat, right? Do you all have cat in your house? Yes? Very good. Now, the baby of cat is called kittens. So today I am going to tell you a story about three kittens. Are you all ready to listen to my story? Okay, let's begin the story. Now what do you see here? The three beautiful kittens. And what is the color? One is brown, one is white and one is black. And what is the mother cat doing? The mother cat is sleeping. Now who is this? The grey rat. So the kittens are saying, shh. The mother cat is sleeping. So without making noise, the three of them wants to catch the grey rat. So three of them are walking slowly behind this rat. Now what happened? See, the grey rat reached on the top of the drum. Now see the drum. So now what did the three kittens do? The three kittens jumped into the drum to catch the rat. And did they get the rat? Let's see what happened. Now see, it was wheat flour inside the drum. So poor kittens, they jumped into it and they got white color. Now the three kittens are white. The grey rat also changed into white color. So now four of them are white. And what happened to the rat? The rat jumped down and ran away. Poor kittens, they are looking at the rat, but they couldn't catch. Now, they started walking again. Finally, they saw a green frog. See, the frog is hopping fastly. Now, what did the three kittens do? The three kittens want to catch the frog. Did they get the frog? Let's look. Poor kittens. The frog jumped into the black paint tin. What did the three kittens do? They too jumped into the black paint. Now what happened to them? The three of them got black color. And what happened to the frog? The frog also changed into black color. But did they get the frog? No. The frog hopped and moved fastly. And poor kittens, they just looked at the frog, but they couldn't catch it. Now what did they do? Again they walked. After walking, finally they reached near a pond. See, beautiful pond. Now whom did they meet? Here they met a red fish. So after seeing the red fish in the pond, the three kittens want to catch it. So what did the three kittens do? The three kittens jumped into the pond to catch the red fish. But what happened? Did they get the red fish? Let's see what happened. See what happened? Three kittens jumped into the pond. But the red fish, it did not wait for them. It swimmed and moved back. And the three kittens, they took a nice bath. See, now what happened? Who all are there in this pond? See, the frog is here. Ouch! Now next, swim, swim, quick. Who is swimming quickly? The three kittens are swimming quickly. Now who is here? Oh, these kittens. Who's that saying? The grey rat. So grey rat is observing everybody. The three poor kittens. Did they get the frog? No. Did they get the red fish? No. Did they get the rat? No. The three kittens did not get the grey rat, green frog and red fish. But what did they do? They enjoyed swimming. They got friends. They had a lot of fun. And now what happened to them? Finally, after enjoying, the three of them got their colors back. One is brown, one is black and one is white. So the three kittens got their colors back and they had a lot of fun with all their friends. They enjoyed. See this? Watch my recorded class, and next class I want my children to say stories like this to me. So I am waiting for your stories. Okay? So children, I hope you have enjoyed my today's story. So thank you. Bye.